Guys, this is how I check the antifreeze, and this is after it's been sitting overnight. Let's get down in there. There's some in there. See that? So we're gonna put the top back on that. Make a mental note, put more antifreeze in there for the winter time. And now we're gonna go over to I know the windshield wiper fluid is good, but we're going to check this is what the full engine looks like. So now we're going to check the oil. It's very important that I think, what is this, transmission or motor? This, not too sure. But I'm gonna pull it out. Transmission is red. And we're gonna see where it's at. Where's the full marker? I'm sorry, y'all, I'm trying to turn it. Well, it has oil in it. That's good. Now I'm gonna see if the oil is black. Hold on, I'm gonna prop the phone up. Now we're gonna put the stick back in there, and we're gonna pull it out again. Even though it's been sitting all night, like I said. Excuse how I'm looking, y'all. It's not. I'm just running some errands today. So yeah, it looks like the oil was pretty good, but I'm still gonna get an oil change. If not today, sometime this week. And we're gonna put this back in there. I should wipe it off, that way I don't get oil all over the engine and then it starts smoking and I forget that I checked it and got oil everywhere. I'd be panicking. Now I'm looking for the transmission fluid, which on these type of cars, the Ford Fusions, I think it's not within reach, if I remember Googling correctly, my research of YouTube. They make it to where you have to take your transmission fluid in to the dealership to get it changed. And that's it for the edition of 2013 Ford Fusion. New battery.